Morning sailors, and welcome back to Cruising as Crew. My name is Lucy, and in this video I am going to be taking you to work with me for a day at work in the shops on board the Scarlet Lady. Just so you know, we have got a very busy day today. We are going to be preparing presentations on the various brands that we stock in the shops, and then we're going to be presenting them to our fellow teammates. And also we're going to be doing some team building activities in the afternoon, and then some other things that we have planned for later on. But I'm really excited to bring you along today, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So as this video is being filmed, we currently don't have any sailors on board yet, so work is still consisting of getting the shops ready, getting everything ready for sailors to come on board. So that is why I am not in uniform, and that is why today is going to be like it is, as you will see. But I'm ready to go, so let's go to work. So when I am going like to and from work, I've been trying to take the steps because I make so much. I need to make sure that I'm doing my 10,000 steps a day. So we've just had our morning meeting, and we've been told that we can kind of go off to various spaces on the ship to work on the presentations that we're going to be giving later. So as it's a really nice day, I'm going to go and work on mine outside. Hello! Can I please have an Americano? This is Grounds Club, so this is where you're going to get all your amazing coffee from. And look at all of this. This is dangerous. Ah. Thank you.
Enjoy your coffee.
Thank you so much.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. The station,
Got my little setup here, but I mean, look at that. I love looking at the wake. Got the sun beating down on me. It's just a glorious day. Let's see.
Been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it.
Okie dokie, so we have finished for the morning. We've finished like the preparation for our presentations. So now I'm going to go for some lunch, and then after lunch we're going to present our presentations to our team members. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm excited for lunch, and I'm excited to present. Hi, how are you? How are you going?
Hi, welcome to Galley. My name is Mirjana Najara.
Hey!
Welcome to the Galley.
Oh. Okay, lunch has arrived. We've got fried avocado tacos with like nachos and salsa, and it looks divine.
I'm a little too much. I can be alive.
I also ordered a veggie omelette, which
Baby, you're
looks
so
great.
different, 'cause others
So
wouldn't
greasy.
even try. Nobody ever took the time. I get way too in my head about everything I do.
So I've just come back to my room after having lunch, and that was bloody lovely. Really, really nice. So I had the avocado tacos and the veggie omelette, which was sensational. The food on here is just, well, it's really, really good. And yeah, so in about 10 minutes I'm gonna go back to work and we're gonna present our presentations, which I'm excited about but nervous. I find it, I don't really get nervous about presenting in front of strangers. So when we have passengers and sailors on board and we have to do seminars, that doesn't really bother me. But there's something about presenting in front of your colleagues and people you know that's quite nerve-wracking actually. So, but it'll be great. Everyone's so supportive and we're all in the same boat. So it'll be fine. But
Beautiful in a way I haven't felt before. No, something so much more. And I don't know why I overthink like I do. But it all seems to go away when I'm with you. With you, with you, with you, with you.
And always keep this in your mind. Never let anybody say that you cannot do something.
so we've all just finished our presentations and they were so good. Everyone did such a good job and the information was amazing. I'm sorry no one filmed mine so you didn't get to see me do it, but you didn't miss anything, it's all good. But now we have done the presentations and got that out of the way, we are now going to move over to the roundabout and do some team building exercises. I don't usually like team building exercises, but we've been assured that these are a lot of fun. So this is where we're going to do the team building exercises on the rocks. This is such a lovely bar on the rocks. But yeah, we're just going to do it here. Hello there, welcome.
Oh my gosh! I love mom. This is so good. What is this? Oh no, no. Maybe yes. Oh my god, I can just play. What's your name? I love your eyes. It's so nice. Can you see her eyes? Oh my, you need to see her eyes. No, you tell me. You tell me.
Do you need any?
Oh my god, I need everything. Hello. How can I help you today?
I don't know what I want, maybe handbags, or I'm not sure what I want, a handbags or
This is easy.
my name is Sasha. Or I'm not sure what I want. Oh.
And they were right, those team building exercises were a lot of fun. I have not laughed that much in ages. So I hope it gave you a laugh as well. But now we're all going to go off into our respective departments and do the work that we need to do. So me and Charles are going to go and practice a few makeup looks that we could potentially do on sailors when they come on board. Love that. Yeah. Perfect. Okay guys, so that is the end of the day. So it's 5 o'clock now, I'm going to go for dinner. We've just cleaned up, sanitised, finished up everything. And now we're going to go for dinner. But I just want to say thank you to my amazing team for letting me film them today. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have enjoyed watching us all. Have a great time at work. It's been a lovely day. But yeah, time to get some grub. But once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, then please press like and subscribe for more cruise ship content. And if you have any video suggestions or questions, you can leave them in the comments down below or DM me over on Instagram at cruisingascrew. But I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.